Can I learn the HTML and PHP languages without a software engineering degree? According to my experience, engineering degrees is not required to learn PHP and HTML. Here are a couple of things you can do to learn these skills and even find a programmer job. Today all the companies need an IT team. Take an online course to learn the basics. Find a job in an industry you like: cars, telecommunications, education, mobile phone, or whatever you want. In my case, it was the telecommunication industry, and I started as a customer service. Build trust, and get attention with your hard work. Show your skills, they are significant for the programmer job. Learn everything about the company processes. Wait for your chance to grow. In my case, a new programmer position had opened in the company. So be aware of the new positions in the company. Show your motivation and self-confidence that you are the right person. Don't worry that you don't have experience. I also did not have any experience with HTML and PHP. When you are promoted, you need to improve two essential skills: problem solving and abstract thinking. Start completing tasks, and find solutions for specific problems. Programming is all about solving problems and bringing the things to work together. Use Google. You don't need to know all functions and features in PHP. Every day practicing and solving real-world problems is the best teacher. Thank you.